The easiest ways to make money online. How would I start making money online today? This changes everything, guys. This video is actually influenced by a post I just saw on X. I'm going to show it to you now. So this guy says, I want a website where I can search any business and see exactly how the money flows. A hospital, a nightclub, a coaching center, a wedding venue, a random factory. Forget about company valuations. Show me the economics of everyday things. Now, this can be taken on a lot of different levels, but when it comes to us and website creation, we're doing something a little bit different than most people are doing. Artificial intelligence is coming to play. And so anybody can make a website now. But in actuality, not everybody can make a website that sells. Okay. So I want a website where I can search any business and see exactly how the money flows. Well, think about this. Let's say if you had a video ad creation business, right? And you want to find out about your competition, you will go to Google, type in video ad maker. Now, there's millions of websites where people make video ads, right? But when you type in video ad maker, these are the industry leaders. These are people who are making money off of video ad creation, right? And these people have paid a lot of money to professionals like myself to create their website to make sure that they can actually make money off of it. Now, especially when it comes to these guys, paid advertisement, or at least some of them, obviously they pay a professional, right, to create these websites so that they can make sales. And if the website isn't making sales, you know what they're doing? They're going back and they're changing the website again. And they're continuously critiquing, changing the website until the website is in a form that allows it to make sales. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, so that's how the money flows online. He could have been talking about offline, the books. Well, we have no way of figuring that out. But this is how money flows when you look at these different websites. These are the industry leaders who have had professionals who created the websites, who have critiqued their websites until it starts producing the results that they want to. You have to realize every business has people who go online every day and they come here to Google and they look for their business, right? They're looking for your business, right? But what can we do to actually make money when it comes to our business? How would I start making money online? Well, we're already doing something. Let me take you to my LinkedIn profile. You don't want another website. I'm sorry. You don't want another website. You want more leads and sales. I understand that there are a lot of people online who are creating websites because of artificial intelligence, but most of these people aren't digital marketers, right? Think about it this way. Um, One thing that we discover as a result of not only creating websites, but creating websites that produces leads and sales, those are two completely different things. Anybody can make a website with artificial intelligence, but are you going to make money? What I mean by that is that many business owners that we help that I find, they're creating websites that's not based off what the market wants. And most business owners, or most of these guys who are creating websites, don't even know what the market is. The market is the people that you're in competition with and the people that are looking for your business. So the next time you have a website made by somebody, you should ask them some questions. Okay, it's nice to have a pretty website with videos on it. We're not just hating, Godspeed, but you don't want another website. You want leads and sales. And that's what we're creating websites for. Same as when you scroll down, website conversion form. So this is what we're doing. When somebody comes to us and they tell us what niche that they're in, what we're doing is we're looking at the industry leaders in their niche and we're evaluating their websites. We're creating a competitive website analysis. And what this is doing is it's comparing your website to the website of the industry leaders. So first we get the score of your website to see where it stands, right? And then we're looking at 100 different websites and the industry leaders. And we're figuring out what's the strengths and their weaknesses of the website, right? Then once we gather all this information, we're going to write a prompt, right? How can I say, instructions, right? And we're going to take everything that we figured out and then we're going to put it into a website, artificial intelligence website creator, and we're going to paste what we found, the research inside of the artificial intelligence website creator. And then we're going to make the perfect website that critiques, that sells, that can give you an estimate, maybe 90 to 100% percentage. So that when you do put your website right here, who you think is making the money? You, because you did the homework, guys. So this means that technically we can do what he's asking about, at least on a particular level. I want a website where I can search any business and see exactly how the money flows. Well, the money flows according to what's on their website because they spent the money to have these websites critiqued until they start to sell. So if you like us to critique your website, if you would like us to research the other industry leaders in your field to give you an assessment on the strengths and weaknesses so that you can critique your website until it makes sales, click the link below, book an appointment. We're going to give you an assessment report, okay, a competitive website analysis. And we're going to give you the information that you can need to make the perfect website that actually sells. Okay. And if you need some help with the website after that, then we'll help you after that. But that's what we have for this video. If you are deciding a niche or that you want to get into, come to us. Let us do the research for you, so that make sure that you're not actually wasting your time and your money. So we can not just create a website for you, but create a website that will actually make you